the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of SoFi Technologies, and the stock today is up 3.69%, trading at $7.32. So if you look at the volume, it was still a bit lower than usual, less than half of what you would typically see, with just about 21 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to a typical average volume of 52 million shares on a typical trading day that would exchange hands. Just for a context, we have just about 1 hour 41 minutes to the close of market today. So SoFi Technologies actually put out an announcement today. They are giving traders on their platform extended hours for trading. So just like Robinhood did not too long ago, people who are using SoFi as their trading platform will have access to extended hours, and that way after the close of market they can do trading in the after hours, and also in the pre-market in the morning. If you look at the 5-day graph, you will see that things seem to have leveled out for SoFi Technologies. If you guys would recall, starting about November last year, 6 months ago, as you see on the graph on your screen, most stocks in the United States were on a downturn. And for the past 5 days, I know it's a very short window, what we have seen is that there seems to be a reversal and things seem to be heading upward. There's been a few measures that have been taken by the Federal Reserve Bank to curb the access of liquidity, and that way bring down inflation. And inflation was really running rampant, and some observers said inflation might have been quite much higher than what the authorities were reporting, but people could feel the pain, when they go to fill up their cars with the gas, when they go to do grocery shopping. Everything was just so much more expensive. So we think that things might be returning to normal over the next couple of months. SoFi Technologies adding extended hours, stock goes up 3.97%, trading now at $7.34, and we have barely 2 hours, 1 hour 39 minutes to the close of market. So I don't know how long ago they put out this this information, but that seems to be affecting the stock. As you see, the stock actually opened at $7.04, and throughout the course of the day, it has gained 29 cents, trading now at $7.34. So we will keep a close eye on this. SoFi, of course, is a very, very important player in originating and managing loans. The Biden administration is pushing to give $10,000 of student loan forgiveness for those who have such loans. There has been a moratorium on the repayment of those loans since the global pandemic hit. So companies that had a business model which relies on loaning out money and making a little bit of profit on the interest paid on these loans are actually struggling right now. But SoFi, because of the way they are structured, their platform, and their how can I say, their popularity amongst a certain demographic, makes them a strong player in this sector. So it's very good to see the company bounce back, with the stock up 4.18% as of this point in time, and the stock trading at $7.34. Another thing I want to talk about is just the 52-week range, so that you guys can situate yourself as to where we are standing within that range. The 52-week range for SoFi Technologies is from $4.82 all the way up to $24.65. So we are definitely towards the lower third of the spectrum, and we think that within the next few months, SoFi will be bouncing back even stronger than before. Thank you for your time, and I do have one favor to ask before you guys leave. please consider subscribing to the channel. We have fixed for ourselves the goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers by the midterms in November, and we would really appreciate if you would join us on that journey by subscribing to our channel and also sharing the good news about SoFi Technologies. Bye for now. Catch you guys on the next one.